Hi everybody, Laura here from Unique in the Creek, and today I'm going to make a simple bow hanger for this beautiful ombre tulip butterfly I made. So I want to make a nice, cute, simple bow hanger to hang this from. So I am just going to move this out of the way for a second. And the first thing I want to do is I'm using a 1.5 inch canvas, just simple purple ribbon. And I need to make one strip, one piece, 28 inches long. So if you don't have a cutting mat, you can use your measure buddy. Pull out arm number 1 right to 14 inches. And it says 14 inches here. And you're going to go around this measure buddy just once, just like that. Okay, and that will give you your 28-inch piece. And now I'm going to make a simple bow with the measure buddy, just a 2-looped bow. Push it down right till both arms are closed. That is 8 inches long. All right, I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm just going to put it on top of the measure buddy, about 2 inches sticking out from the edge. And I'm going to wrap my ribbon around the measure buddy twice. Okay, so 1, 2, and then I'm going to cut it off about 2 inches, the same distance on this side, so about there. All right, I'm going to slip this off of the measure buddy, just like that. I'm going to take a zip tie, and I'm going to put a zip tie around this whole bunch of ribbons. It's going to have 2 loops and 2 tails. Just like that. I'm not going to do it too tight, because now I'm going to slip this 28-inch piece in behind the zip tie. Okay, bringing it straight down and making this even. There we go. All right, and once you've done that, then you can pull your zip tie nice and tight. First, I'm going to make sure when I fold these in half, both are the same. So I'm shifting my zip tie just a little bit so it's exactly in the middle. And then I'm going to pull this tight. This is just a simple, quick way to make a bow without pulling all kinds of bow makers out and everything, because you have your measure buddy out already. All right, and we're going to clip this zip tie off. All right, this is our hanger. Now I'm going to take my butterfly, flip it over, and make sure you're working at the top. So I can see that I'm at the top because I have my little antennae here. And these 2 holes right on the edge here, I'm going to put a zip tie down and around the edge of the board. There is a zip tie in there already holding tulips, but that's okay. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. Just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to, this is the back part of the bow hanger, because I can see my zip tie head. What I'm going to do is feed this one end through the zip tie I put on the board, and then the other end through. And you can either knot it or just take a couple 4-inch zip ties, or even the 6-inch zip ties. And I just kind of put them at the end of the ribbon here. This is just like a stopper that when we tighten this zip tie, it's going to prevent it from slipping through. Now, like I said, you can also knot just put a knot in the bottom of the ribbon as well. It just looks neater with just a little nub of zip tie there. Okay, once you have that done, tighten this zip tie up. Okay, you can pop it back into the hole and cut the tail off. Do the same on this side. Pull it tight, pop the head in the hole. Alrighty, so when you pull, the ribbon is not going to come through the zip tie. You can also put a little bit of glue onto the board behind the ribbon, and that also is a secondary secure way to make sure that your ribbon hanger doesn't come off. Okay, and then we flip this over, and we're going to open up our bow. So I'm going to dovetail the edge, the little tails here. Okay, this one's a little bit longer. There we go. And then we're going to open up our loops. And it's just a cute little way just to add a little bit to your butterfly or any of your flowers or wreaths. Oh, I have to say. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.